Hey, Lost, where are we going?
How about Lake Sylvia Campground?
Alright.
Alright, let's try that.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So we called the number to Lake Sylvia this morning just to see what was going on. It's Easter Sunday, so we didn't know, if they were open and everything. They are. It's no reservations, first come, first serve. And I asked her if there's any availability, and she said, well, I don't know, I imagine so. Anyway, so that's where we're going, and thought we'd take you along. Yep, still drippy rainy day. That's fine though. Wow, so they have gas for less than $3 a gallon, but it's that ethanol 85. The unleaded is $3.79. Huh. Interesting. Alright, Lake Sylvia. Very pretty. Very pretty.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Okay.
Turn left.
Yeah, these are more level over here, I think, and a little bit deeper. Alright, I'm gonna hang up and pick a spot. Uh-huh. Yeah, we built a campfire, and then it started raining. And it's putting our fire out. Good times. Alright, well then, that must mean one thing only. It's nap time. So this is what it looks like when everything I own is in the van with me because it's raining out. But it is doable. I totally have enough room. Just, yep. Definitely nap time. Well, hey, Rue, what are you doing? Are you celebrating Easter?
I think he's pretty happy about it.
Yeah, he seems pretty thrilled. Did he specifically ask for you to put those on?
Well, he did.
Yeah.
He said it's time.
Poor Rooster. The things you have to put up with. So while it was pouring rain, we took a nap for about an hour, and it's calming down now. We got out. Vicki had left some chicken on the table to thaw out. Didn't think a thing about it. It's gone. Our Easter dinner is gone. I can't believe something came and snagged our food in the middle of a rainstorm.
Our frozen food.
Our frozen chicken. But the package is there, huh?
The package is there. I feel bad for feeding the wildlife.
Yeah.
Unless something was itching.
No, I'm sure it wasn't. They got up on that table and had chicken. Wow.
Let me show you.
Licked it clean. Wow.
Yeah.
Well, lesson learned.
Yeah.
Well, I guess wildlife has to eat whether it's raining or not. Darn it. All right, we're gonna come up with plan B for dinner now. This is our second morning here at Lake Sylvia, and it has just been so lovely. Nobody else is here. So yeah, this is a pay campground. It was 25 bucks a night, but we got electric and a nice fire ring and picnic table, bathrooms and that sort of thing. Really nice trails here too. I would definitely come back here again. But we're gonna head out and try to find a wildlife management area or something for tonight. So come along.